That one got me. Oh, Daddy,
God, I do not know.
I didn't like how close I came to my weapon.
Okay, this person right there. I see.
Wrestle it. Mila, where's she going?
Alright, here comes another cottage.
Did you see Bob? Bobby's got the clip on me. I know where I'm going!
You go.
Now I see. But now the lights get my Now we can go out for dinner. Why, dude? I got you. Keep going, keep going.
I just lost. You can't see yours? Can't see it. What did you say?
Wave at the light.
Wave at the light. It's a very bright light. I'm sorry. Again! Why do you stay put? Why don't you run? Okay, my fight, flight, or freeze instinct is obviously to freeze. Okay? Oh my god. Which is not what I want. God, you scared the
Goodness
scared the fuck out of me. Holy
Don't do that again, man.
God, I thought I was about to piss my pants.
Man.
Hey, wave at the light.
You got that, man?
Yeah, y'all on camera.
Oh.
You don't know me, do you?
No.
Mom, Ozzy, what happened? I fell with this one.
Billy, what are you doing?
We see where your allegiances stand.
Oh god.
Hey,
That's so funny.
y'all on camera too.
No.
Where can I say that?
Right here.
We're gonna put it on Facebook.
That is hilarious. I don't know. He said he laid on the ground. My freaking legs always spread open. Jesus Christ.
I'm gonna be on Ellen.
They chucked me.
Dude, this is crazy.